Hey guys, Brett Sikora here with the Align Real Estate Solutions team, and we're super excited to announce that we're officially hiring. We're looking for new agents to join our organization, whether they've closed $3 million last year in production or they've closed $30 million or $300 million in production. We want people who know how to sell real estate, and we want to help you get to that next level. We currently have 4 offices set up, 3 of them in New Jersey, 1 in Chicago, and we're opening other offices as well. We're looking for expansion partners. We're looking for the right people to funnel into our systems that we've taken the last 2 years to really develop. We're in a position where we can hammer down on the accelerator and make sure that you as a realtor get everything you need from a support level, offers written for you 7 days a week, listing and transaction management, all of the lead levers that you'd really want. We're one of 5 people in the state of New Jersey on Zillow sellers, one of the top producing Zillow Flex teams. And at the end of the day, we do the best at coaching, teaching, and training you to convert your sphere of influence. So if you guys have interest in seeing what we're doing to play all out, reach out to us. We'll get you in touch with our directors of growth, and we'll make this easy for you.